Well, today I'm going to repair this D57. This first video for the disassembly. So let's get started. First of all, remove the flint pusher. The flint. Okay. And now we must remove the two screws in the inside over there. Okay. Okay. Very carefully we remove the top part. Okay. Beware of the spring inside. Also, we remove this little part. And here you must be very careful. Remove the wheel. And this part over here, there is a spring, but you must be really careful. Here. This part, it is what that hole has a spring inside, and this is the part that will open and close the gas flow. Okay. Well, as I'm going to repair completely, we are removing also the regulator. Well, actually it's quite soft, so likely to be in good condition. So we're going to remove first of all the rubber seal. Okay. It's out. The old seal here. Double check, nothing inside. Okay.